I want to show you some really cool functionality that you can build when building dashboards. So I built this dashboard for a distributor, a large distributor. This is all done in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, this is the file right here, and it's an Excel file. Um, I've got a lot of complex formulas and developer tools. But overall, the distributor wanted to hide data and be able to show it at a click of a button. And this is a dashboard that shows certain metrics for delivery stocked within certain amount of time, 24 hours, for certain locations. And they also wanted an upper limit for an error correction and a lower limit for an error correction. And obviously they wanted some graphical representations. So as you can see, all of these graphs are empty because I have not made the information appear. So this is a scroll bar I created using developer tools, and this is how it works. So basically, if we click on uh, hit the arrow once, you see we've got the first set of data and all of the graphs that they wanted to see adjusted according to that data, as well as an average over here. So for example, this is delivery stocking lag time with the goal. The goal is in yellow. This is actual throughput and throughput goal up here. We also have we've got unique stores, and we also have total deliveries with completed within 24 hours. Uh, so right here we've got total deliveries in blue, and 19 were completed within 24 hours, and 21 total deliveries. Only one set of data because I've only pressed this information here once. But once I press this button again, you see the next data set appears. So we've got now two data sets here in all of the graphs, as well as over here on these graphs over here to the side. Um, and and that's how it works. You move this slide over um, as far as you want to show new data sets, and all of the graphs, as you can see the graphs right below, they start moving and they start updating. Averages calculate averages going across, but again, that all of the data sets and the graphs move accordingly to the button selection that you have here. You see here I've hit it again right here, and I hit it again, and it updates automatically, completely automatically. Everything updates and moves according to these selections. Again, I've got some really advanced formulas that will go ahead and adjust for your selections here. So look at this. Look at this information here on week 10. So week 10 is going to disappear right now as soon as I click this. You see, and so it went to 0 because I moved this slide. They also wanted some error correction. How this works is they knew if they had more than 50 deliveries, then that was an error. So for example, if I move this number all the way up to like say 65, please look at this graph here. You'll notice that it starts to move as I move it down. You see the numbers are moving, numbers are moving. So again, they wanted to be able to have some error correction for actual throughput and throughput goal in this graph, and that's what these buttons over here do. But again, just a way to create dashboards that are more dynamic and graphs that actually move with the data that you're selecting. Again, everything updates and moves accordingly. Um, and everything works according to the buttons that you select. Here again, total deliveries, and as I'm pressing these buttons here, you'll see that we'll see the weeks update as I update the button. So again, just some really neat things that you can do with dashboard development, metric development, and the use of data and graphs that are actually dynamic and automated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.